Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you create a Netflix account on your phone? That's basically simple. Just go to App Store on your iPhone if you have an iPhone. If you have an Android, just go to Play Store. Hold on. Let me just turn on the Wi-Fi here. Okay. And then click install. Once you have that, as you can see, the application has a lot of good ratings also. Well, not that much of bad ratings, but the good certainly outweighs the bad ratings, especially on Netflix. So basically everyone has anything to say about a particular platform, good and bad. So that's my point here, basically. So they're going to be asking, as you can see the screen is black here because it's confidential. You're going to be asking for an email. That's just basically it. Email and a phone number. And yeah, that's just basically it. Email and a phone number, and they'll be giving you your account here. So once you've been directed to Google here, you could create password or click forgot password. If you actually forgot it, they'll be sending off to your email. So that's how quick and easy it is. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.